RUF40 is a lightweight security shutter manufactured in Toronto, Canada. Designed for compact spaces where convenience and protection matter most, the RUF40 offers smooth operation, a clean, modern look, and reliable everyday performance. Its slim profile makes it ideal for both residential storage and interior commercial applications. It is available in the following shades: white, gray, brown, authentic gray, and premium black. These neutral, modern colors allow the RUF40 to blend into any interior design, from contemporary condos to commercial bars and custom-built storage units. Common use cases: storage for indoor bars, closets, cubbies, cars and trucks, wardrobe spaces, kitchen storage areas, utility boxes, and pool bars. Roll-up doors and shutters like the RUF40 are ideal when you need secure coverage without taking up valuable space. Their upward rolling design keeps walkways and work areas clear, while the aluminum construction provides long-lasting strength with minimal maintenance. Built in Toronto with a focus on quality and reliability, the RUF40 offers a sleek way to protect your valuables and organize your space. From small storage areas to specialty indoor applications, this shutter delivers dependable performance every day. RUF40 shutters are 11/32 of an inch thick, offering a slim and lightweight curtain perfect for compact indoor applications. The aluminum thickness is 29 gauge, providing smooth performance and reliable protection while keeping the shutter easy to operate in everyday use. The RUF40 is designed for small openings with a maximum width of 8 feet and a maximum height of 7 feet, ideal for closets, cupboards, indoor bars, cubbies, utility boxes, and other tight storage spaces where a traditional door simply won't fit. RollUpFactory provides warranties as well: 5 to 7 years motor warranty, 10 years paint finish warranty, 3 years workmanship and hardware warranty. Special order colors are available, and these custom finishes may take a few months to arrive. Please contact us for further assistance if you have a specific color or design requirement. Roll-up doors can be surface-mounted or recessed-mounted, depending on your structure and the type of clearance you have available. Ask us what's available for your situation. Call us and find out what would be the best solution and hardware for your setup. Visit RollUpFactory.ca.